Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's going on out there, man? Real quick, we're gonna do this one real quick because I have some things to do. If I'm going in my 2012 Charger SE to change the lifters, what else should I consider changing? The rocker arms were changed already. Why are you doing the lifters? I very seldomly, rare have a problem with the lifters on a. It's a Pentastar, yeah, 3.6. Okay, so in fact, people ask me all the time, "You think I should replace the lifters?" I only say yes because they're gonna wear the hell out of me until they get a yes out of me. Okay, now a lot of people don't think they think it's counterproductive to do rocker arms and not lifters. Okay, I personally don't have that kind of money. If it was my own car, I don't want to waste it on freaking lifters that I don't need. The whole time when that ticking first showed up, its rear ugly head in the shop. The van showed up in 2011 with the 3.6 Pentastar. The ticking noise showed up in 2011, but we was all like, I don't know what it is. I know a lifter would cause it. So we were sticking lifters in everything, guys. These cars was coming back like, I don't know what the hell it is. One guy had a misfire because the rocker arm had collapsed so much. He disassembled it, put all lifters in it, and put everything back together. And the misfire moved to a different cylinder because he didn't put the rocker arm back in the same cylinder. You know, you just ball them up and you just set them on the. He didn't think to check the road. Nobody did. Nobody knew. It was all new to everybody. Finally, Chrysler put the hammer on it. Look, wait a minute. What the hell y'all doing? Y'all supposed to be trained. Tom Cook still hella in him. Yeah, we're supposed to be dealer trained, but we haven't gotten trained on the specific of the tick. So they put out a memo. Stop. Wait a minute. Wait. No more lifters. That's not the problem. If y'all would take time out to look at the freaking. So we wasted a lot of FCA money. I ain't gonna lie. I throw some lifters at some cars. My point is, Evelyn, I'm just curious. Why do you think you need lifters? Let me read this again. I do have a question. If I'm going in my 2012 Charger SE 3.6 to change the lifters, what else should I consider changing? The rocker arms were changed already. Do you suspect you still have a tick, or do you have a tick? I don't know. That's nothing extra to do just because you're doing lifters. That's nothing extra. I'm trying to visualize that in my head. If I'm under the hood of a car and I'm doing lifters, what else should I keep in mind? Nothing. Just lift up the cam and put in new lifters. Okay. Yeah. You know, but like I say, I'm curious to know what's wrong. Okay. Oh, you doing it? You doing it just out of? I have 150,000 miles. Okay. If that's if you're just doing it for that, then go for it. Okay. Now, also keep in mind the valve train system on this vehicle utilize 4 camshaft phasers. Okay, that's what the timing chain ride on. All right. I started recommending those at 100,000 miles. Okay, but that's a little bit more work. Okay, in order to do the cam phasers, one must adhere to removing the freaking timing chain, right? Okay, because the timing chain ride on the cam phaser. So if you're not familiar with the timing chain setup and you don't have the proper tools, I'm against, you doing it unless you had all the stuff lined up. Okay, and don't really go by videos you see on YouTube, especially mine, because I make it look easy. And technically, it's easy from a physical standpoint, but understanding, you know what I'm saying, putting everything right, and yeah, you need tools. Okay, I don't use tools at all, man. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna sit here and lie. I don't even know where my freaking Pentastar tools at, but I've done a million of them, guys. So cut me some slack, cut me some break. But you, on the other hand, you only done 1 or 2. I recommend you have the tools. But cam phasers are, in my opinion, if you had to prioritize it, just say, I want to do something and I only got $300. Or cam phasers are more than $300. Or camshafts are more than, I don't know what phasers cost, but if you have a small budget for some more work on your car, I would highly invest that money into cam phasers if you've never had those done. You just mentioned you had the rocker arms done. So it's up to you though. Prioritize everything you do, because finance are a big issue in our decision-making process. All right, my Charger RT has 92 now and no problems yet, but it's not. Yeah, man, you ain't got no MDS solenoid, man. No damn. You got the older model. I don't know, the Gen 1, Gen 2 hasn't dropped the valve. That's because you have sense enough to not let the freaking car overheat. Dark man, that's what I'm talking about, man. First sign of overheating in that year model car, you shut it down. I don't give a damn if a pack of alligators behind you, chasing after you, and you ain't got no doors on your car. If your head done past H halfway mark and is headed toward hot, shut it down. You just got to get ate up, dog. You got to weigh your option. Do you want to drop a valve in your Hemi engine, or do you want to be lunched to a pack of crocodiles? I don't know. I mean, that's not a really good example, but hey, it was worth the shot. My point is, first sign of overheating, guys, shut it down. All right, I'm serious. I'm not playing. Shut the damn car off. Turn the freaking car off. All right, you're gonna drop a valve, and then you're gonna ruin your engine. When that valve drop, the piston don't know. Wait. The driver, but no, wait. The piston don't give a damn. Okay, piston going up anyway, and bam, catastrophic failure has occurred, and now you have some decisions to make as far as if you keep the car, because that repair is expensive. All right, so yeah, I like to apply that to any car personally, but some cars are forgiving more than others. Okay, the older model Hemi that my man Darkman driving, you don't want to let it overheat at all. I have a 2008 Dodge Ram 5.7 with MDS, and I haven't had any issue. Bottom line. Hey, Bottom, what's your secret, man? Do like the other dude did. Tell us what oil you're using. Tell us how often you're changing your oil. Let us know, the Bottom Line Outdoors, okay? BLO. Let us know, all right? Everybody can get something out of this. They would love to prolong the life of their 5.7 if they own one, okay? So don't be holding on to the secrets, my dude. What kind of oil you using? I mean, Pentastar 5W20. I heard this one day. I've been burning 5W0 for the my man Tom. What's his name? My man Paul Joe. He said he used some crazy kind of oil, and he haven't had no issue. So, is it the oil, guys? I'm not about to get into a debate if the oil is what's causing the Hemi tick or causing the lifters to fail, because oil lubrication, yes, plays a major role in the valve train process. Without lubrication, nothing matters without proper lubrication. All right, so yes, the oil you choose, the weight of oil you choose, all of that matters. Okay, yes, it matters. All right. In fact, engineers recommend you use 5W20. All right, a lot of people know. I think you should use 5. Man, you use whatever the hell you want. I'm just telling. When people ask me, I was like, according to the engineer, they got together, especially if your car equipped with MDS. In fact, the freaking engine of the car will snitch on your ass if you stick some other weight of oil in it. Wait a minute. This fool done put 5W80 in here. Wait a minute. I'm turning on the damn check engine light. Bing! There go the light. Some poor mechanic. Now, on some cars, that will not set the light. It will, however, set a fault code. I got in trouble for saying that do not always set a light. Okay. No, I got in trouble for saying that turns on that don't. One or the other. Somebody drill me, man. I get drilled all the time. You don't know what the hell you're talking about. Dude, I was wrong on this one. Okay, I'm sorry, man. Let me change that. Some makes and models will not set a check engine light. They will, however, store a trouble code. P1521, I want to say. I don't know. But yeah, your car will snitch on you, okay? And you get a fault code like wrong engine oil used, okay? If you don't use, because remember, guys, who are the snitchers on this Hemi engine? The snitchers are that damn oil pressure sensor and that oil temperature switch, okay? They get together and do a bunch of calculation Okay, wait a minute. Is this 520? This dude trying to trick me. Wait a minute. I don't think this 520. Okay, it might be. So we're going to let him slide. The weight of the oil is so the MDS can work properly. The weight... Guys, I'm not a do boy, but when manufacturers suggest something, you might want to, I don't know, dog. I don't know, player. I don't know, man. Hey, each his own. Whatever decision you make, I'm going to leave that alone. I'm going to let it alone.